Como cook. Hi, Chef Como. You have a special dish for today? Uba's hungry. What do you want to eat? Oh, you want sweet and savory black bean noodles. Today, we're making yummy, slurpy black bean noodles. Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make black bean noodles? Let's find the ingredients.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The ingredients are hiding. Come out wherever you are. I heard a sound. Was it from here?
Yay!
Found you! Refreshing and spicy green onions. Where are you? Aha! Found you! Savory potato. Oh, the cupboard. Found you! Chewy, springy noodles. Let's keep looking. Where are you? Ah, the plant pot. Oh, phooey. Under here, then? Found you! Sweet and savory black bean sauce. Let's look here. Found you! Sweet, fragrant onion. How about the refrigerator? Wow, yummy ham! Yay! We found them all! Okay, let's cook the noodles in hot water. Wow! Now strain the noodles. Chewy, springy noodles are done! Next, let's chop the veggies. Good job! Plop the veggies into a pan and stir fry. Now it's time for the black bean sauce. Toss and toss. Smells so good. Finally, add the sauce to the noodles. Yay! Yummy, slurpy black bean noodles. Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Toto, are you hungry? What do you want to eat?
I want a yummy boxed lunch.
Oh, you want a boxed lunch. Today we're making a tasty boxed lunch with Gomo's face in it. Chef Gomo, let's cook. Introducing the ingredients.
Rice. Egg. Carrot. Broccoli. Sausage. Shrimp. Cheese stick. Sausage. Shrimp. Cheese stick. Watermelon. Orange. Kiwi. Strawberry. Wow!
Thank you, ingredients. First, let's cut the veggies and fruits. Ta-da! All done! Next, we need to make fried rice that's yellow like Gomo's face. Add curry powder. And mix. Hello, egg. Let's make egg white garnish. smells delicious. The sausages are getting cooked too. Don't forget the fried shrimp and cheese sticks. Now let's start packing. Make the rice round like Gomo's face. The egg garnish goes on top like an eggshell. Use the carrot for the crest and bill. And with the egg whites and dried seaweed, make the eyes and brows. Wow, it's an adorable Gomo! Now let's place the yummy sides around Gomo. Yay! A cute and delicious Gomo box lunch! Dig in, Toto.
It looks good.
What should we make next time? Hello, kids! I see you're camping. Oh, it looks like Uba is hungry.
Uba, uba, uba.
Okay, let's make yummy grilled skewers with Gomo. The ingredients are hiding around the campsite. Let's find them. Where should we look first? The backpack. Wow, soft, spongy marshmallow. This time, let's look inside the tent. Yes, a bell pepper. The cooler looks suspicious. Wow, a plum sausage. What's under the firewood? Delicious corn. Where's the last ingredient? Wait, behind the bush? Wow, there you are, green onion. We found them all. Ew, you're dirty. Wow, the corn is clean now. Next, let's cut the bell pepper. The ingredients are prepped. Let's try catching the ingredients with the skewer. Begin! All done! Now let's cook them up. First, roast the marshmallows over the campfire. A marshmallow pull! Yum! Delicious! Let's grill the skewers for our friends. Place the skewers on the grill and pour some barbecue sauce. Should we use mayonnaise next? I guess not. Let's use yellow mustard instead. It looks like they're ready. Here you go, Gomi. Enjoy! Oh, more customers. Better hurry.
Uba, uba.
For the shrimp skewer, spicy chili sauce. For the corn, barbecue sauce. And for the sausage skewer, mayonnaise.
Wow. Uba, uba, uba.
Yay! Yummy grilled skewers! Eat up, everyone! What should we make next time? Hello, kids! It's hot these days, isn't it? Today, we're making yummy and refreshing shaved ice desserts. What do we need to make shaved ice? Let's go through the list. We need sweet red bean paste and some fruits. sweet condensed milk, and chocolate syrup. No chocolate syrup. Then chewy rice cakes and jellies. Some chocolate cookies too. But no milk, chocolate ice cream, or chocolate syrup. Guess we're off to the market. Okay, let's get our ingredients. First, chocolate ice cream. Yay, correct! What's next? Orange juice? Oops, nope. Oh, that's right. We need chocolate syrup. Next, we need milk. Yay, we're done shopping! Ingredients are ready. First, let's make the ice milk. Wow, it's frozen stiff. Now we have to shave the ice milk. The ice is shaved. It's time to cut the fruits. Cut the banana into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut the kiwi into 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Lastly, cut the mango into 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! The fruits are cut. Squirt on the condensed milk. And woohoo! Yummy fruit shaved ice! Squirt on the chocolate syrup. And wow! Yummy chocolate shaved ice! Yay! Sweet red bean paste shaved ice with rice cakes! Dig in, kids! What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como! Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Gomi, what do you want to eat? Oh, you want sweet chocolate cake! Today, we're making chocolate cake topped with strawberries and cookies. Chef Como, let's cook! What do we need to make a chocolate cake? Let's find the ingredients. We need whipped cream for sure. Yes, sweet whipped cream. And a strawberry. Sweet and tart strawberry. Now, what else? A sponge cake? Paint? Bingo! Sponge cake! Yikes! You should never eat paint. Let's look in here. Woo! A round cookie. A sweet cookie for sure. Do we need a drum? Ew, I don't think so. Finally, we need a candle. Where could one be? In here? Nope. In here? In here? Found it! We found them all! Como, can you make chocolate whipped cream? Mix whipped cream and chocolate together. And you get chocolate whipped cream. Now let's pick which sponge cake we want. What looks good? Star shape? Heart shape? Round shape? Yes, the round shape it is! Next, let's spread the chocolate whipped cream onto the sponge cake. First, spread the chocolate whipped cream on top. Then spread it evenly on the sides. Yay! It's a chocolate cake! Hi, whipped cream. Decorate the cake, please. Let's add some finishing touches. What do we have here? Yummy cookies, thick mittens, candles, and sweet and tart strawberries. What should we put on top? Mittens? No, mittens aren't edible. Then sweet cookies. 1 stick cookie, 2 stick cookies, 1 round cookie, and 1 more. And a gingerbread man cookie. Don't forget the strawberries. 1 strawberry, 2 strawberries, 3 strawberries. Looks yummy! We have 1 more topping. 1 candle, 2 candles. Yay! A yummy chocolate cake! Enjoy, Gumi! What should we make next time?